Yeah, good morning, it's Jim from JAGfx.com. It is Tuesday, 18th of September 2018. This is just my daily video and what I've done this morning on the daily charts on both the high probability and the mod MACD methods. Most of it this morning was just trade management with one new trade. So let's have a look. We'll start with our daily high probability charts. I did sleep in by about an hour this morning, which is three quarters of an hour, which is not the ideal situation, but all fairly quiet. All right, we'll start with the euro pound. In a sell, all I've done this morning is move my stop down a little closer to this sort of fractal, this higher, these little highs here. So the stop's been moved down to 0.89411. I've already closed half by looks. So just moved my stop down on the euro pound. One of the main reasons being there's a blue dot now on the MACD platinum below the zero level down here, hence the grey vertical line drawn there. Next one, pound USD in a buy back here. I closed half already. All I've done this morning is move my stop up to this level here, just underneath this trend line. Stop's now at 1.29558, so locking in a bit of profit. Basically just dropped down on the 4-hour chart like this and had a look sort of at recent lows. Could have probably put it up here, which would have still been about 100 pips or so, but I've decided on this level here. So that's just the pound USD in a buy, just locking in profit. Move the stop up. Pound New Zealand, pretty much the same thing, in a buy back here, and all I've done this morning is move my stop up a bit tighter the price, which you can see in here. If I just drop down on the 4-hour, you can just see it's underneath these sort of pullback here, and that is at 1.98330, so locking in profit there on the pound New Zealand. And the one and only new buy trade or trade this morning was on the New Zealand CAD. Remember, now I've switched this high probability over to a demo account, which I'll show in a second. Just try and drill down my trade management or position size a bit more precise. This is a high risk trade. You can see the MAs are going down, so we're trading against the trend. There is divergence, regular bullish divergence. We've got lower lows on price and higher low on the MACD platinum. You see that? It's pretty obvious. There's my stop level, so I gave myself a bit of wiggle room. There's a 0.5% risk on this trade, so keeping it low risk. And if you go to my demo account, I've started up for this. Here's the trade here, so I've bought 0.04 New Zealand CAD. There's your entry price stop, and we're down 8.8 pips already. You can see here's the balance, 10,000 USD, and information in the accounts here. It's leverage. I did select 1 to 100 or something, or 1 to 200, but for some reason it defaulted back to 1 to 30, which is not really in line with my normal accounts. Being an Australian, I have higher leverage than that, but that's the European leverage and a bit lower than the US leverage, so we'll give it a run. This just gives me information on where I'm at on the account, so every now and then I'll just show you this on the videos. This is a demo account, FX Pro, which won't expire hopefully. So that's a buy, New Zealand CAD buy on the daily chart, high risk trade. Right, just switch over to the mod MACD on the daily charts. No new trades this morning on this. They're all just trade management. So basically just moving stops on all of my open trades, or a lot of my open trades. Just wait for the profile to come up. This is where I probably should have shown you the account while this is changing over, save a bit of time. Alright, here we go. So on the high, did I just go back to the same profile? We'll try that again. Why isn't it coming up? Oh yeah, mod MACD, that's right. Mod MACD. Let's have a look. USD Swiss franc in a sell back here. all I've done this morning is move my stop down to this level, 0.97959, just above the 240 LMA and the 25 SMA. So that's just locking in profit there. AUSCAD in a sell back here, again move my stop down just above this recent fractal, 0.95277. Aus Swiss, same deal, just move my stop down to 0.70879 in a sell, and it's just above the 25 SMA. Could bring it down here, but then it's below the 25 SMA. I just want to keep it in this sort of level there. CAD Swiss in a sell back here, move my stop down just above this fractal here, this little high up there, so it's at 0.74911, and it's above the 25 SMA, just locking in profit there. And New Zealand CAD in a sell on this one for a fair while. All I've done is move my stop down on top of this little fractal here, and it's still above the 25 SMA, and that's at 0.87338. And that's it, guys, for this morning. Thanks for that. If you like these videos, please subscribe, or at least hit the like button, and we'll chat later. Cheers.